Let's roll up out of here and start out. Let's do a tent revival. Let's go. I feel like we've grown up and we're ready to apply hair color. Let's talk about the types of hair applications and the color to apply in those ways. We're gonna begin with demi and semi-permanent. Now these are single processes and it's just that. It's a process that just involves one step or application. Then I'll be teaching you how to do a double process application. So this is a process in which two processes are needed to achieve your desired result. So 2 processes, and we might need 2 different formulations. I'm gonna teach you all that as well. And then we're gonna talk about that cool, funny little line that grows in as your new hair grows after your artificial color. We call that the line of demarcation, and we're really gonna pay attention to that zone. More on that later. And of course, gray coverage. I wouldn't forget about all y'all. I am going to go into my favorite ways to formulate for gray so you get coverage on all of those pesky, resistant, stubborn zones. I also want to introduce to you 3 really cool players in the hair color world. They're called hair zones, y'all. And I want you to know about them because they amazingly make a huge impact on color. First, we're gonna talk about zone number 1. That's that zone closest to the scalp, and it's about 1 inch to 1.5 inches away from the scalp. We call this the heat zone. The heat zone receives the most amount of warmth coming off of our body as we, give off heat. The challenge with this when it comes to hair color is that as our body's giving off heat, it can accelerate the development of the color. So we're really gonna be mindful of zone number 1, the heat zone, in some of our applications. And right underneath that is zone number 2. This is usually what we refer to also as the midshaft. It's a cool zone, so it's not going to activate and accelerate as quickly. And finally, zone number 3. Zone number 3 is about those last 2 to 3 inches of the hair zone. Now, here's the funny thing about that zone number 3. Yes, it's a cool zone, but it has little things hiding on the inside that can affect the outcome of your hair color. It's been living longer. It's been on that journey with you longer. It's been rubbing on your pillow in your car seat longer. So it might be more weak, more compromised, more porous. So we're really gonna need to pay attention to this when formulating and applying color, because it could absorb color more. It can have unprocessed dye molecules that just outstayed their welcome and all of a sudden show up to the party and you're like, you want to buy it? We are going to break through those hair zones just as I do behind the chair so that you can get those results as a DIYer. So I say, if you're on board with all of this, it's time to glove up, yo. It's time to go mix, yo. It's time to apply hair color, yo. Let's go do it. To begin your color journey or to continue along, I really encourage you to check out all these incredible videos that you can learn from.